Hey guys, this is Bilal Heather and this is the 8th part of the video series. The video series in which we are learning about Forex trading, and finally from this part and in next parts we are now about to start trading, okay? But before that, before actually start trading and before I tell you how you do it, okay, let's go back and let me go back to the first slide and let me tell you where we are standing now. Okay, so when I started making this video series, I told you that this will be in 3 parts, okay? And in first part we will learn about what is Forex and all those basic terms people use in Forex trading, and I told you what you trade and how you actually trade it. Okay, so we have actually covered first 2 points, okay, and that means now you know what is Forex and you have learned what are the basic terms, and you know what we trade in it and actually how we trade it, that you already know. But now we are about to learn the softwares used to trade, okay? And I will tell you how exactly you invest your money and how exactly you trade in Forex market, okay? So now let's go back to the last slide, and where is it? Okay, so this is what we are going to do today. That is, you people might be thinking, if you're new to Forex trading and you don't know anything about it, and now you're saying, okay Bilal, you told us how exactly we make profit in this Forex market, but I am excited and I am curious, I don't wait, please tell me how to start trade. Okay, I have my investment in my hand and I want to make some investment with some company and I want to start trading. So how do I do that? Okay, so for that, before we actually start trading, let me tell you one thing, that some of you guys might be thinking that Bilal will tell us that you need to go to some exchange company and buy some euros and come back home, and after some time watch over their exchange rates, and when they go in your favor, you go back and sell those euros. That's not the case, okay? That's not we trade in this Forex market, okay? All the trading is done online, okay? You are not going anywhere. You will be sitting in front of your computer and you will be having an internet connection so that you connect to the World Wide Web, okay? And everything is done online, so you don't need to go anywhere, okay? So now you might be thinking, okay, now how do I choose a company? Where is it? Okay, so I don't know any company at all which provide exchange services or which is allowing us to trade Forex. So how do I do that? So for that, you need to choose a company, okay? And how do you find a company that is offering currency trading services? The simple answer is that you go ahead, type in Google best Forex brokers, okay? So what a broker is, that is the company, okay, which is offering you the trading services, okay? So if you want to do your research by your own and you want to find a company by your own, then you can go ahead, you can search in Google best Forex brokers and you will find one, okay? But what if you don't want to do that, okay? You might be thinking, okay Bilal, there must be there are lots of lots of forex companies out there, and I don't know how to differentiate because there are lots of frauds and scams all around the internet, okay, and I don't want to be a part of it. I don't want to be robbed by someone, so I want you to suggest me some company, okay. So if you're saying that, or if you're thinking that, then I will tell you that you choose roboforex.com, okay. You go ahead to them, and I will tell you how do you register with them, how do you make an account with them in a moment, okay. But as I told you when I was starting this this video series, when I was recording some videos, in the very first videos I told you that I will tell you based on what conditions you should choose a broker, okay. You should choose a company, okay, for you, so that you can trade with it. So what are the different things we need to consider when choosing a broker, okay. So now I'm going to tell you that. If you don't want to listen to all this what I'm going to say in here, you just go ahead and write in your Google Chrome or something like that. You just write roboforex.com, and that's the company I have chosen for you. But why I have chosen this company for you, that I'm going to tell you in here. So what type of broker I need to choose, okay. So when you're choosing excuse me, so when you're choosing a forex company for you, which is offering you the trading services for you, you need to consider something, okay. The things I'm about to write in here. The first thing is, it is not scamming, okay. It's not a fraud, okay. So there are forex brokers out there which take your money. When you invest with them, they take your money, and then when you try to make some profit, and then you are withdrawing your funds, the profit you made and the original capital which you have invested, they are not allowing you to withdraw, okay. So there are lots of frauds out there. So choose a broker which have good reviews, okay. This was the first point. The second point is okay, now not every broker is scam, okay. Not every broker is fraud, but there are people who are doing this, okay. So you need to be very careful. The second thing I'm going to write in here, that is there are lots of good brokers, the brokers which are actually providing forex services, and they have their liquidity providers, and they buy and sell currencies from you, okay. So but you will say, okay, I have lots of good brokers which are not fraud, and tell me which one of them should I choose, okay. So now this point is these points I'm writing in here are very important, okay. So the first thing you need to consider is the spread, okay. The spread is very important, okay. As you know, I have told you what is a spread. The spread is basically the difference between buying and selling prices, okay. Let's say the broker is buying a currency pair at this rate, and it is selling you at 3459, okay. Let's say one broker is buying you the currency pair at this rate and selling it at this rate, okay. So there is a difference of 0.0003, okay. So the spread is actually 3 pips, in here. Okay, so you need to find a company that is giving you the lowest spreads. Okay, some companies give you 1 pip spread that is very low, and some companies offer you 1.5 pips, some companies offer you 3 pips, and like that. Okay, so the spread is very important. Okay, because when you will be placing a trade, this spread that company will charge you. Okay, when you will place a trade, they will charge you some spread, and that's the broker's fees. Okay, so you need to find a broker which is offering you the lowest spread. Okay, but if you're looking only for spread and you're saying, okay, Bilal was talking about choose a company which is offering lowest spreads, and I have found these brokers when I was searching for a company, and I have found these brokers. Okay, and there are some companies are offering 0.6 pips spread. Okay, and some companies are offering 0.4 pips spreads, something like that. So I must tell you that it's good that you find those brokers, but the spread is not the only thing which you are looking at when choosing a broker. So let's see what are the other things. The next thing which I'm writing in here is the execution, the time it takes to execute a trade. Okay, when you try to open a buy trade, how much time it takes to place that trade, and that needs to be very quick, very quick execution of, I think there is someone out there, but anyways, very quick execution of trades. Okay, you need to find a broker which is not re-quoting again. Like when you wanted to place a trade at 1.3245, and because of some delays it placed at 1.3246. okay, there is 1 pip difference in here. When you wanted to place a trade at 1.3245, but it has been placed on 1.3246, so that is actually the slippage in here, but let's talk it later. So you need to find a broker which is offering quick execution of trades. Okay, the next thing I'm writing in here, that is they must have good support. Okay, if you are having some issue when depositing and withdrawing funds, and you wanting to contact that company, should respond. That company's response must be very quick. Okay, let's say you invested about $1,000 with a company, and they are not added to your account which you have created there, and you need to there must be at times there comes some problems when you try to do that. It's not gets credited in that account, so you need to talk to that company. Okay, that company's support team. So for that, either you will email them, or you will contact their live support on their website, or you will call them on their cell phone numbers which they are providing on their website. Okay, so their support team must be very good. They should be very responsive. Like if you have emailed them today and you are getting response after 2 weeks or something, that's not the broker you're going to choose for you. Okay, so the response from the support team must be very quick, or you can say their support must be very good. Okay, The next thing I'm going to write in here is withdrawals and deposits times and methods. Okay, so when choosing a broker for you, you're looking for these things as well. Okay, let's say you're investing your money and you're the country in which you are staying there, in the country which the country in which you are actually, and the broker is not from your country. Okay, it's from some other country's broker, and you wanted to invest some money in that broker, and you wanted that deposit to be very quick. Okay, and you're looking for methods that broker is offering actually. Okay, let's say I am in Pakistan. Okay, and I want to invest some money, and the broker is offering investments only via PayPal. Okay, and the broker is not offering investments in any other payment system. Okay, so you will say, okay, I am in Pakistan and PayPal is not allowed to use in here, so what do I do? So this is one reason that you need to find a broker that is offering you to invest through a secured payment system, and the deposits and withdrawal timings are very low. Okay, some brokers I have seen that when you invest some money with them and you deposit now, let's say I am depositing my money now, just now, and it is credited in my account from that I am going to trade after 2 days or 3 days. Okay, so I am investing now, but it is credited to the account from which I am going to trade after 3 days or something. So that's the broker which I don't want. Okay, I'm investing now, I should this amount but which I have invested with that broker, it should be credited just now. Okay, so it should not take 2 or 3 days to credit in my that account so that I can start trading. Okay, so this point is very important. Also, when you make some profits, okay, and now let's say you invested some money and you have made some profit with it, and now you want to withdraw all of your profits and all of the money you invested. Okay, let's say you invested $100 and after 1 month you made about $20 profit, so your total amount is now $120, and you want to withdraw all of it. Okay, and you will place a withdrawal request on the company's side, and if it is taking 2 or 3 days or maybe more than that, then that company you don't invest. Okay, the withdrawals must be quick. Okay, I'm placing a withdrawal request now, so it must be executed within 8 hours or 1 day. Okay, because there are brokers which have huge amounts of customers, and they receive about tens of thousands of withdrawals each day. Okay, so they need time to process all those. Okay, and they also look if there is some hacking thing with it or not, so they need to process it one by one. Okay, so if they are taking about 1 day or something, that's fine, but it needs to be very quick. Okay, if they are saying that we will process your withdrawal in 8 hours, they must do it within that time. If they are saying that we are processing your withdrawals within 8 hours and they are taking about 2 or 3 days, you should not go with that broker. Okay, you should not choose that broker for you. So there is actually one more point which is very important in here, that what type of and how much deposit bonus they are offering you. Okay, so when you're choosing a broker, there are lots of brokers out there which offer you a welcome bonus for you. Let's say you're investing $100 and they will give you like 10% bonus on that, so that you are trading with actually 110 bucks. Okay, so and some companies offer more than that. Okay, so you need to also look this thing. Okay, but this point I have written in the end of all these points which I was discussing about the company here, because this is not important. Okay, all the points written above are more important than this point. Okay, if some broker is offering you 100% deposit bonus, like if you're investing $100, we are offering you another $100 on that. So and that company is offering you the high spread, and they're not quick in executions, their score team is not good, their withdrawal and deposits are not good, but they are offering 100% bonus on your investments. So you should not go with that broker. Okay, first you need to consider all the points I have written above, and if you find a broker which is having all those things with them, then you go with the very last point. Okay, then you look for the bonus, deposit bonus which they are offering you. Okay, so these were all the points I have written in here that are important when you choose a broker for you. And as I have told you that if you want to do your own research about forex brokers, you can do that. You go ahead and Google, search in Google for best forex brokers, and you will find a lot of them. Okay, but if you're saying, okay, I'm pretty newbie and I want your suggestion, Bilal, okay, you tell me which broker should I choose. Okay, so I suggest you to choose this broker which I have written in here. Okay, that is roboforex.com. okay, I will tell you why it is good. Actually, let me go ahead and on their website. Well, by the way, this is my forex page, and if you have not liked this page in here, you should go ahead and like it, because I'm posting all the cool stuff which I make on my this page. And if you I share all those links of my videos on here, and I'm thinking to have some discussions there with all of you guys who are watching my videos. Okay, so if you have not liked this page, you go ahead and like it on Facebook. But let me go ahead and type roboforex.com, and let me tell you why I'm saying you to choose this broker. Okay, my internet connection is pretty bad today. I don't know why, but it's very slow. Maybe because I'm using a proxy or something. Let me disable this, and now let me go ahead. Okay, it's loading. Okay, here you go. Actually, it's still loading. Come on. Well, I'm actually this video is I will continue this video part from the next video. Okay, so you keep all those points in your mind and search over the internet and tell me what brokers you get for you, and why you think you're choosing them. Okay, and in the next video part I will tell you something about this forex broker which I am recommending you. Okay, so see you in the next part. Thank you for watching.